Welcome to Mondays with Melissa. Today is episode 2 in a series of Don't Let This Happen to You. Last week we talked about utilizing funds held within an irrevocable trust the proper way and how making a mistake could really cause a problem. Another thing that I want to talk about is making sure that you actually fund your irrevocable trust or your trust, any type of trust, whether it's irrevocable or revocable. I've seen so many people come into our office to either update documents or do a Medicaid application after they've done their planning elsewhere, and we realize that they never put anything into the trust. They created the trust, they went to the attorneys, they drafted the documents, they reviewed the drafts, they went back in, they signed everything, and maybe they put the house into the trust because the attorneys had to actually prepare the deed, but they never actually went to the financial institutions and transferred their assets into the trust. So in cases where people were doing Medicaid planning and there's a 5-year look back, they might think they're completely protected and they've never even transferred the assets. So that 5-year clock hasn't even started to run yet. And we do see that a lot. It's really important to make sure that you're actually putting the assets into the trust. And I've had people tell me, oh, I thought the attorney was doing that, or I thought it was just done because we talked about it. But you have to actually go to the banks, prepare new paperwork in the name of the trust, and move the assets over. So there is a process to it. And yes, we would help you as your attorneys. We could help you with the funding of the trust. Some people choose to do it on their own, but there definitely needs to be follow through and making sure that those assets get placed in the trust, or else the trust is really good for very little. So that is episode 2 of Don't Let This Happen to You. Make sure your trusts are funded. If you want to review a trust or review some account statements and make sure everything is where it needs to be, we're always happy to sit down with you. You can visit us at konaelderlaw.com. Give us a call at 631-390-5000, and make sure you follow me on LinkedIn and Facebook at Legally Melissa.